How to get stimulus check on TurboTax amendment. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you didn't receive your full stimulus check or were eligible for more, you can claim it by filing an amendment tax return using TurboTax. The first thing you want to do is determine if you need to amend, then log into TurboTax and open your filed return. Now go to your tax returns and documents and select the year you need to amend. Then click on Amend for the correct tax year. TurboTax will create a Form 1040X. Now you want to enter your stimulus information. For that, click on Deductions and Credits. Then select Recovery Rebate Credit. Answer the question about how much stimulus you received. If you were eligible for more, TurboTax will automatically calculate the additional amount and add it to your refund. Now check for errors and confirm TurboTax added the credit. Now e-file or print and mail Form 1040X, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.